Well, sir, another one bites the dust. Another M57 is beep dead. Oh, look at the blow by. She's definitely down on a couple of cylinders. Like, I can't disconnect the fuel rate to show you, but I don't know whether it's done the turbo or not. So give me a second, I'll find out if it's done the turbo now. Hold the line drives. Oh, definitely. She was starting to run away, you see, I could tell, because all the oil, look, see the oil? Is the turbo gone? Could be turbo gone, see? So I can disconnect this fuel rate, so I can crank it without any startage, like, you know. It should be off. Let's have a listen for compression, is it? Oh, she's down on too. Oh, I got a blow by. She's down on a couple of cogs. 2 cylinders down on it, can you hear it? I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's down on 2 or 3 cylinders, that is. Well, that's smoke, mate. So, check out my YouTube channel because I will be rebuilding this engine this time. Last time I bought another engine. This time I'm just going to rebuild it. You know, it's mad because I got an EGT gauge. I've got water methanol on here. You know, AEM's a proper kit, like AEM. Let's do it. Can't really see AEM, like. Oh, you can. But, yeah. Beep. Fucking dead. Wonder if I've oiled the block. Something like that, right. I managed to get her home, mine, but she started to run away, so I beep and nurse it home, you know. Let's plug a fuel rail back in. Let's use it for that. I'll get it on the back now. Not now, but you know, whenever. But yeah, she's 100% gonna run away. Tomorrow I'll pull the intake off the turbo and check the turbo. Because what may have happened is the turbo may have gone, yeah. Oh, turbo's gone, I can hear it. Turbo's gone, I can hear it. No way they can hear that. Oh, all that oil, fuck now. A lot of oil in it. There's my water methanol nozzle, look there. No, I can't. I'm going to get a screwdriver and check. I can't leave it. I gotta check it. Look at the oil. Look at the oil. What's here? That's all come from my intake, look, from my turbo. Turbo shagged. So it is. Oh well, game over. All that oil. Just squirt it out. Fucking bonkers. Oh! 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 That's what it was, boys. Turbo gone. Beep. Fuck's sake. Uh-oh, turbo's gone. Well then, it's the last time we'll be running. There's this engine anyway. Smoke. When my oil is sucked out. Full of oil. Everywhere. Yeah, she dead. Anyway. I'll have a video out next weekend now of this in bits.